coloring in. G for Jaguar. We started the series of alphabet learn with animals. So first of all, we draw the sketch of Jaguar. J for Jaguar. Now we fill the color in it. You like my video, my drawing and my coloring. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more video. Thank you so much.